Roughly 10 new AI tools launch every single day. Trying to track every one of them is a fast path to total burnout. Since most modern software is already AI-enabled, the challenge has shifted. You now need to identify the specific point where you should stop learning. The AI Leverage Staircase provides a map. It organizes skills into 3 tiers: baseline, automation, and engineering. Each step increases your output potential, but requires a larger upfront time investment to handle technical friction. Whether you realize it or not, your current career and your bank account are likely already exposed to AI through tech-heavy index funds. Quantifying that exposure allows you to build an AI investment thesis. This thesis determines how much additional time you should actually spend climbing this staircase, based on your specific life situation. Surviving this landscape requires you to match your career goals to one specific tier, rather than blindly hoarding every new tool that hits your feed. Tier 1 is the minimum baseline required to stay relevant in the modern workforce. Reaching this level involves spending a few hours learning structured prompting frameworks. It is the lowest friction entry point available. The most effective strategy here is minimalism. Instead of jumping between apps, you pick one general chatbot, like Claude or ChatGPT, and master its specific capabilities. This provides high daily efficiency for tasks like ideation, scheduling, and research. The limitation of Tier 1 is the lack of automation. Every action requires a manual, isolated prompt from you to produce a result. While accessible, relying purely on manual chats puts a hard cap on the total leverage you can achieve. Moving to Tier 2 involves transitioning from single-turn chats to multi-step agentic workflows. You give a central agent an overarching goal, which it then breaks down into steps to execute across multiple platforms on your behalf. The practical entry point for this is the local AI agent, software that runs entirely on your own computer hardware. To set this up, you have to trade a few weekends to configure the systems, and link them to your personal data through various APIs. The result is a system that handles background tasks automatically. You can have an agent pull your emails and investments to create a curated daily digest before you start your day. Using local open-source models keeps your data private and eliminates the recurring costs of corporate platforms. However, you must be willing to manage your own hardware limits and troubleshoot software friction when these custom connections fail. Tier 2 transforms you from a manual operator into a systems manager, providing high-level leverage over your administrative schedule. Tier 3 is the engineering threshold. This is where you build commercial-grade pipelines and utilize AI coding to create your own software. At this level, you can deploy custom B2B solutions like automated enterprise reporting at 10 times the speed of traditional development. The entry cost is significant. You need 2 to 3 months of dedicated study to understand foundational computer science and coding logic. This network uses Model Context Protocols, or MCPs. They act as a bridge that allows the AI to pull data directly from external CRM and analytics databases. This architecture enables autonomous, scheduled data pulling and comprehensive report generation for enterprise clients without human intervention. AI serves as a high-speed accelerator for those who understand the code, though it cannot function as an architect on its own. Warning tone: if you skip the basics, you will eventually generate complex bugs that you lack the skills to identify or fix. Tier 3 provides the capability to build and sell production-grade software, provided you are willing to cross the threshold into baseline software engineering. To prevent wasted effort, you can map your primary ambition to a specific tier on this decision tree. For non-technical workers seeking higher daily efficiency, the path ends at Tier 1. Attempting to learn coding at this stage offers a poor return on your time. Master the prompting of a single chatbot instead. If you are a power user drowning in administrative tasks, Tier 2 is your target. The friction of configuring local agents is a necessary trade for the hours you will recover through automated workflows. Aspiring entrepreneurs or developers looking to build commercial products must reach Tier 3. For this segment, the 3-month learning curve for foundational coding is a non-negotiable requirement for success. Identify your goals, choose your specific lane, and focus only on the tools that move you up your chosen tier.